Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we welcome you all in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a stable, a fast and a secure connection when you are online. So this app is already on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, to add an extra layer of security when you are online. So the app is already on Google Play Store. So you open Google Play Store and you search for this app. The app is known as Logos VPN. So install this app on your device. And after installing the app, you must set it up. Before we set up this app, please use VPNs responsibly, following your local laws so that you don't violate them, and also make sure to read the VPN terms and conditions before you use it. And after that, you are required to open the app to do some settings, and when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So when you reach in the home screen, you are required to tap on the menu button right here. Then from the menu you click on update config. So this is done to update the app resources to the latest version, so that this app can provide you with its newly configured settings. And after that, you are required to add on time by utilizing this add time button. So put in your mind that this app, in case it runs out of time, it will stop working. So make sure to utilize this option, and then you connect, you add on the connection time before you connect. So after adding on time, you're required to pick a server. So for today's video, we're gonna pick the auto server. This is because auto server will automatically pick a best working server in your location. So after picking a server just like that, you're required to pick your country name. So for example, in today's video, I picked this one. So in case you are not from here, you can also come here, then you can search in the search bar, you search for your country name. So you pick your country name just like that, and after picking your country name, this app will be able to establish a connection in the selected country. And after that, you're required to initiate a super fast and a secure connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, the app will be connected right away and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Logos VPN with all country settings to get a stable and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet again. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more content.